Welcome back. In this session, we'll be talking about certification eligibility and if there are any changes to your information regarding your UA certificate. If there's a need to voluntarily surrender your certificate and to maintain your certificate, you need to retake the exam every 24 months. All right, the eligibility requirements for an sUAS certification. You need to be 16 years or older. Do not confuse this with 13 years or older for registration of an sUAS aircraft. Next, you need to read, write, speak, and understand English, and you may not have a physical or mental condition which may interfere with the safety of an operation. As you already know, to earn the FAA's sUAS certificate, you need to pass the initial aeronautical knowledge exam. And you need to maintain this certification by retaking the exam every 24 months, although I think that may be changing. You are required to keep your sUAS certification information current. This is very important. If you have a name change or a change in the permanent mailing address, you have 30 days to update that information. You may not, however, after 30 days of the date of the change, exercise the privileges of the certificate. Do not confuse this with the 14 days given to you for unmanned aircraft registration updates. If there is a change of the name on the sUAS certificate, you need a copy of the marriage license, court order, or other document. Here's a helpful tip for you. If you have sUAS operations and you have changed your name and you have 30 days to update that, but you're doing operations during those 30 days, make sure that you have your sUAS certificate and your marriage license or other type of documentation stating the name change. There may be reasons why an sUAS certificate holder may want to voluntarily surrender their certificate. The details for that are beyond the scope of this curriculum, but just follow the example here.